stroganoff is for dinner. One pot meal, now that's a winner. Perfect for the whole family. Simple and right. Easy clean up too, now that's what I like.
All right, are you ready for beef stroganoff like Mom used to make back when you were a kid? Let's get into it. All right, got my Dutch oven out, and I've got two kinds of mushrooms that I'm using, button and shiitake, and we're just going to salt and pepper them, and we're going to cook them in the Dutch oven until they cook down and we get most of the moisture out of the mushrooms. Then we'll remove those, put them in a bowl, set those aside. Then, without doing anything else, we're just going to throw in 1 pound of ground beef. We'll salt and pepper that. We'll get our little ground beef device out to mash it up nice. And we'll get to cooking on that ground beef. There we go. And once we get that meat just about cooked up, we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour right in there with that ground beef and cook that up as well. And that'll help thicken the sauce as we cook along. While I'm doing that, if I could remind you to please like, share, subscribe. Make sure you tell your friends and family all about the show. New video every Wednesday and every Sunday. Make sure to hit that bell, stay up to date on newest recipes, and leave a comment if you can. And if you can hype, please hype. Appreciate it all very much. All right, now we're going to add our seasonings. 2 teaspoons of granulated garlic, granulated onion, and dried onion. And we'll mix that in there real good. Let that cook up for a minute or two. Then we're going to add 1 quart of good quality beef broth. There we go. And the heat is on medium for all this. Get all that in there. Give that a good mix. Now we've got 1 package of twisted egg noodles. You may or may not have to add a little extra water. I added about a cup more water in there. Make sure that I have enough liquid to cook those noodles and when they absorb. So we're going to add that package of egg noodles right in there. Get that mixed in there real good. And then we're going to put the lid on. And we're going to let this go for 11 minutes. And that'll give those egg noodles time to cook. And they'll suck up some of that moisture. There we go. We'll give that another mix. Then we'll put our mushrooms that we cooked earlier right in there. That's nice. Just starting to thicken up real good. Egg noodles are good. So we'll add those mushrooms in. Give another mix. Then we'll add our combination of 1 cup sour cream mixed with 1 cup of beef broth. Do that right here. There we go. That's all that flavor as well. And we'll mix that up. Let that cook for another minute or two. And then we'll serve it. And what I like to do once I serve it is a dollop of sour cream right on top of the bowl after I load that up with the beef stroganoff. and you are good to go. An old family classic recipe. Enjoy this and come back often, and we'll see you soon.